Yo, yo, good morning. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. Let's see. Yo, yo, good morning. Let me just tweet this and then we good to go. What's up, everybody? Hold on. Let's see, let's pull up the Discord to myself. Car horns, where am I? There it is. Cool. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, Lotto Friday. I took no trades yesterday. I didn't like anything. Basically, whoa, that was loud. What happened? Somebody become a member? Loyalty member for 3 months. Let's go. Good morning. Yeah, I didn't like anything yesterday. Everything kind of fell apart. I kind of expected the market to go up, and it just completely died and went the opposite way. So as far as setups, basically what I was planning for the day did not happen, and from there I didn't see any setups whatsoever, so I just thought it was best not to trade. And now we're here, so it's Friday. We're gonna start the live stream a little different. We're gonna start by actually looking at the QQQ and SPY first. And yeah, let's do this. So let's do our complete analysis on the QQQ and SPY. But yeah, how was everybody else's day yesterday? You guys make money? You guys lose money? You not take any trades? What's up? Talk to me. 309.62 is going to be huge. If we crack below that today, that's going to be very, very bad. Honestly, I don't know where that level came from. It was on the weekly watch list. Oh, it was yeah, it was like a support way back here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, 306.92 is going to be super important. Big news. News at 8:30. What's the news? Drop it in the chat. What's the news? What's the news? What's on the economic calendar today? Economic calendar. Today is the 6th. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment, labor force. We have John Williams at 9:15. Consumer credit at 3, and then another Fed at 7:15. Yeah. So, yeah, let's see if we can find some setups, but QQQ, I would be very interested if it cracked below 309.62. We can see that we hit this once, and then we hit it twice. We are squeezing. It's not to say that the squeeze won't fire up. But yeah, that 309.62, I'm going to be very interested in that level. 4 hour, we're kind of just in some consolidation. Daily yesterday, we hit that level twice. Weekly, looks awful. 3-day, squeeze is still firing. Cool. Alright, so there's QQQ. Just wanted to take an overall look at it and kind of get a sense of what to expect today. Good morning, everybody. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 120 people up in here and 50 likes. So, yeah. That don't add up. Anyway, SPY, 1 hour squeeze, orange dots. It is below the moving averages, so maybe look for a rejection at like 414.4 or a crack below yesterday's low. Again, that 410.64 and that 410 level. Thank you for the subscribe. Hold on. Move my mic away. There we go. Yeah, that 410 is going to be super, super important. And again, yesterday, I'm sorry that the watch list didn't work out. The market just, it's been very hard to get a sense of direction, but we're still going to kill it. If we slip below yesterday's low at 409, what is that? 409.44, could go back to the yearly low at 405.02, and then 400, again, maybe a rejection up here. We'll see. But we are going to look at some oil names today because Exxon looks pretty strong. USO looks pretty strong, so we shall see what we are given today. Also, there was some dude in my Instagram DMs like hating, calling me a furu and stuff. So I was like, all right, dude, I get my new place on the 16th. So in 10 days, I'll be moved in by the end of the year. If you're worried about me so much, feel free to fly on over here and I will trade live with you and I will record the whole thing for YouTube. So maybe you guys are going to get a live trading video with a hater. We'll see if he actually comes through. Odds are he's probably not going to, but in case he does, that would be a fire video. I think that would do fantastic. But let's see, hold on. Early in and out. Show. Early in and out. Show. Bang, bang. Cool. Alright, now we're good to go. What do I do in my notebook? Let's see. Alright. Would that not be a fire video though? Like, I literally, if I was a furu, why would I offer you to come trade live with me? Like, I'm pretty sure 99% of the people in the trading community, if you were to call them a furu or just hate on them in general, one, they probably wouldn't answer. Or two, they just block you. But no, I straight up said this morning, I was thinking, come through, we could trade live, it'd be a dope YouTube video. Let's see, Apple with that 30-minute squeeze below 155. What was my short level this week? Yeah, my short level on Apple was 155.38. So we'll put that on there. It's at 156.42. Let's see, Apple, AMD. I'm not flying him out. If he's so worried about it, he can fly himself out. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Who was that? Sticky something. Hold on.
Bing bang.
Ooh, that went through the mic big time. My bad. Let's see. Yeah, Jay. Again, I started trading with $270 years ago, brother. I didn't even join Team Bull till last year. I can't tell if he's fake hating or if he's being serious. But come a long way, my man. Let's see, AMD 92.17. My put level was, hold on, below 84. We'll look at AMD. Again, it really depends on job numbers, so we'll see. AMD. Oh, was it loud? My bad. Let's see. 70. Boom. Boeing below 149. We could see what happens there. Maybe calls. You act like I kicked you. Like, what? I don't even know who you are, Jay. He's being serious, though. I thought he was joking so he could come through. He's actually being dead serious. I got no idea who this dude is. I'll let you stay in the chat, though. I don't know what you did to get kicked. No reason to be hating on me. We'll look at Boeing. B&O and USO, they broke out. We might actually be able to day trade USO. Yeah. Oil does look pretty strong. Let's see, USO. There's no liquidity in USO. Next week, nope. Yeah, we would have to go 3 weeks out, so I'm not going to trade that. We'll ignore that. Chevron. Any squeezes? Let's see. We do have a 30-minute squeeze if oil does pump. 168, 169.5. I use a simpler trading one, but if you do purchase the TTM Squeeze Pro, make sure to use my affiliate link because I did get affiliated with them like 6 months ago. But yeah, I've been using the TTM Squeeze for probably, I don't know, 2 to 3 years. It's definitely been It's by far my favorite trading indicator. I'm not saying that just because I'm affiliated with them now. I'm trying to read the chat and try to explain this, but I'm not saying that because I'm affiliated with them. I literally have my very first YouTube video was how to use the TTM squeeze, and that was like a year before I was even affiliated with them. So, but let's see, Chevron 168. I would be interested there. We got job numbers in 1 minute. Jay, brother, I don't even know who you are. I got no clue who you are. Facebook below 206 doesn't look bad. 206, yeah, 206.10, I would say. All right, so here's the job numbers. Hold on. Where's the yes? I do not have the futures up. Let me get the actual numbers for you guys. Payrolls 428,000, expectation 380,000. Okay. I don't really use the ready aim fire too much. Like, I use it in my swing trading, definitely not my day trading. If you were to get the pro, I would just say your basic up and down arrows. So these, and the TTM squeeze, which I think is the first package. Let's see. Job numbers. Jay, do you want to come trade live with me? Non-farm payrolls 428,000 versus 431,000. Estimate 380,000. Unemployment rate 3.6% versus 3.6%. Estimate 3.5%. Well, I'm still waiting for all the numbers to come out. Let's see. Average hourly earnings 0.3% month over month. Expectation 0.4% month over month. I think we're good. Again, it's in that link. But Jay, why are you getting salty with me? Again, I don't even know who you are. So why join my live stream and get salty with me, bro? You came in here very hostile. I would say I'm a pretty likable dude. But you came in here all hostile and made a bad first impression. It's not how you get far in life, my man. I'll give you a second chance. You just gotta be nice. And apologize. Apologize in the chat. But yeah, bro. I got no idea who you are. Anyways. I'll just set alerts on the futures. We'll see what happens. Hopefully levels don't break at or below. Bingo. Just wish that I got no idea who you are. Honestly, I'd never seen that name in the chat. But Facebook. We looked at that. I'll be interested below 206. UAL. Whatever happened to UAL? I know it was squeezing. Squeeze fire down. Couldn't break. Okay. Microsoft. Wouldn't be too interested in Microsoft unless it cracked below 247.50. Oh, I remember. I was messing with you that day. Yeah, I remember you posting that. Yeah, Microsoft. We'll put this on the list. It's already $3 above the level, so it would really have to fall in the pre-market, but we'll come back to that. Netflix. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 155 people up in here and only 110 likes. Once we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list. Let's see, yearly low is at 185.6. We hit that to a T yesterday. We fall below there, however, on Netflix. That is going to be a big level. And then we got Zoom, which I'm looking at equity, possibly. Nope. We'll see. We'll wait. But Zoom's going to stay on the list. I like that. Cool. All right. So far we got Apple, AMD, Boeing, Chevron, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix. We wanted to look at Exxon. I don't like how it moved like that. Yeah, that's annoying. All right. So now let's flip through the day trade stocks. We looked at Apple, looked at AMD, looked at Boeing. Let's look at Baba. I think Baba's got a oh, I filled the gap already. Never mind. Did have a gap. Coin chilling at the yearly low. It's been very, very strong support. Uh, 110s. The 110 puts have some liquidity if we crack below it. Nah, don't hate on Jay. He technically apologized. I'll accept it. Let's see, CRWD, no liquidity. How do you find liquidity? Looking at the volume and open interest in the contracts. NVIDIA, let's see what we got going on here. If you guys have not, make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, remember, if you're a channel member, we're going live tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern time and making a free weekly watch list together. You got any questions whatsoever, if you join up in there tomorrow, I will definitely answer them for you. Like the range on NVIDIA, we could probably watch both ways. Yeah, SQ reported earnings. How'd they do? I know that they missed, like, on everything. Yes, so, the Dixie, the US dollar. I talked about this on I believe it was Twitter, and I think I made a video on it. But the Dixie has a quarterly squeeze. So, one of the highest time frames is squeezing, meaning there is going to be a big move. Now, this move is going to take a very, very long time. We can see that we hit, what is that, the 2017 high on the dollar at 103.82. If we crack above 103.82, we could see 106.74, 108.05, and then that third ATR, which is 109.07. So, if I were to look to go long, I want to see it come back to 95.32. Jay, I didn't have 20,000 followers either. I literally started from zero. I didn't start where I'm at now. It took me a year and a half to get 20K subscribers on YouTube. Literally, my very first videos made, or got, like 50 views, 50 to 100 views. So, it's doable. But no, I didn't start with 110,000 on TikTok. I didn't start with, I don't even know what I got on Instagram. Like, is it 23K, 27K? Someone might have to fact check me. But literally started with zero. But yeah, there's your Dixie analysis. Hold on. What are we looking at? SQ. Kind of interested in SQ if it falls below 99.2. We'll see. back to that. We got a pretty big list today. Tesla, what we doing? Yeah, I don't care about you. Walmart, Nexon. All right, cool. Yeah, if you've been here since the beginning, you know the grind. I got almost 600 videos to get where I'm at right now. But yeah, we got Apple, AMD, Boeing, Chevron, Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix, Coin, Nvidia, SQ. So, that Chevron's going. I guess the futures really liked it, so we might have to flip-flop. That's annoying. Alrighty. See what we can find today. Let's find the best setups. Start from the top of the list. Apple. I really like that one for shorts, but I guess we ain't getting that. Let's see. You follow since I beg. I love it. Love it, love it. Apple. Not really interested in those calls. I'm really not. I would be more interested below 155. How many views do I have? I know I was close. The last time I checked, I was at like 904,000. Let's see. Apple below 155. I don't care about calls on Apple. I'm just going to set an alert. 155. AMD. Let's see what looks the absolute best today. I want high probability setups. I took no trades yesterday because I didn't like anything. So A+ setups only today. If I'm not given an A+ setup, I simply will not trade. $96.42. We could get some moves to the upside, get a nice little scalp. Let's see how many views I do have. We're almost at 21K too. That's crazy. Let's see. Views. I did 131,000 views in the last 28 days. 961,000 views. That's crazy. Let's see. Boeing. I think Boeing, Chevron. I really like that coin setup if it breaks. And Chevron doesn't look bad. Take it back to yesterday's high. Just made a low retracement back to the moving averages. Facebook. Again, I'm more interested in the downside. We can look below or above 210 for calls, but more interested in downside potential. Let's look at those Netflixes. At 185.6. So if we break below there, we can go for the 185 puts, which have liquidity. And if that is the case, we have room down to 177. I'm not too interested in that Exxon just because of the little pump it saw in the pre-market. I like the coin though. Or not the coin, the Chevron, my bad. I do not see anything that I like absolutely love. What are the futures doing? We dumping yet? Not really. Mm. Well, video below 185, 182.9. Post market low 181.56. I would say I'm more bearish on the market today, but the market's been all over the place and it's been really hard to trade. So let's put Netflix out because that's one that I do like, especially if it breaks down. Maybe calls above 189, puts below 185.6. $177. Might prioritize SPY and QQQ today. All right, let's get this Netflix out. Gonna watch both sides of the market today. Actually, what we can look at real quick. P-call. Yes, we talked about how SPY and QQQ has an orange dot. The put call ratio is getting a little high. Actually, let's go back to that SPY and QQQ. But yeah, that orange dot squeeze below 410.73 sees yesterday's low. I mean, or we fire up above post market high. Again, I don't have a clear direction on the market today, so we're gonna do what we can do. Netflix. Not really interested in Tesla today. Me and Tesla are pretty salty with each other this week. Go back to Netflix. Me and Elon we're currently having a disagreement. Puts below 185.6. Price target equal 177. Calls above 189. Price target equal 191.68. Put the calls at 0.87. Yes. I don't really do inverse ETFs though. Watch this. All right, so SPY 1 hour orange dot squeeze. We know what orange dots means. There's going to be a big move. Pay attention to it. Since the EMAs are all stacked down on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, odds are it is going to fire down. However, again, this is the market and it's been very irrational lately, so yeah, be cautious with that. We got 158 likes, not only 54. Again, make sure you guys have clicked that subscribe button. Would mean the absolute world to me. Yes, TQQQ and QQQ follow each other. SQQQ, too many Q's, does the inverse. So I think, yeah, we're gonna watch that SPY. I like the SPY. I'm gonna trade Uncle's levels on it, so we're gonna watch Netflix SPY. I think it's QQQ squeezing. QQQ squeezing as well. Gonna obviously be watching that, but QQQ watching 1 hour squeeze as well. All right, so the actual stock that we put out was Netflix. Let's go to SQ. What we got going on here? Question is there liquidity? Not until you get all the way down to 95. However, it does have that squeeze. Doesn't really have anything holding it up. My biggest thing would be, I don't know if it can get to 95 and it's 0 day till expiration, so those contracts would pretty much go worthless. You can watch SQ. Next week has no liquidity. The 95 puts for this week have the liquidity, so I'm not going to trade it just because it doesn't really have room to 95. If it absolutely tanks, then yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna skip over that. Apple's coming down good. AMD. That's coming down good. Boeing. Nike's not on the list. Boeing 149. Broke below that bear flag yesterday. Let's see, below 149, what could we see? Huge drop. Liquidity, 147 puts. The spread would just have to narrow. Let's see. No, I do Savages SPX levels. All right, so Boeing, maybe. Apple, maybe. What's Chevron up to today? CVX. You guys are really liking it up today. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. What's crude oil? All right, so crude oil's gotta, it's gotta start booking. Gotta start doing something. Maybe Chevron will find its way onto the list. What are we waiting for? Break of 168, 170s. Might have to do next week's 170s. Maybe. We're at 176 likes. You guys are killing it. Facebook. Personally, I like Facebook to the downside below 206.16. Broke the trend line that we discussed. I mean, 202 is another question. I just hope that squeeze doesn't fire in the pre-market. All right, let's get Facebook on there. Facebook broke below 1 hour trend line. Looking for a break below 206.16 for puts. Price target equal. I think it's gonna break. It better not. 202.11. 200. Above 210. We'll look for calls. There's Facebook. Then we got, let's see, Microsoft. What's up, Jimmy? How you been, brother? Microsoft might get down to that level. Microsoft coin. Thank you for the subscribe. 111.8. Yeah, coin, very interested. Nvidia. I think we're gonna put coin on the list. Yeah, 111.80. 103.72. All right, let's do coin. Looking ready to break below yearly lows. Looking for a break below 111.8 for puts. Price target equal 103.72. Now we need a cleaner chart. There's coin. Run through the list one more time, see what we'd like. And then we will call it a day and get ready. Small accounts, you can watch Apple below 155. That doesn't look bad. I'm personally not going to watch it because you guys know I have a little bias towards Apple. AMD. If we get down towards 92.17 or 94.62, I'd be interested. Boeing. Below 149, I would like some puts. Chevron. Above 168, I would be interested. Microsoft. It's actually at the level below 274.50. Not 274.50. What's that low? Wait, maybe that is the low. 274.34. I'll be interested in puts. And then Nvidia. 185 is where I'll be interested. So, hold on. You guys get the watch list once I can figure out how to connect this trend line. There we go. Yeah, well, that 185 will be a major violation. So, yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. Let me send you guys a watch list. Again, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do so. If you guys are not a channel member and you would like to become a channel member and support the channel, free to do that. Feel free to do that as well. Again, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Options trading is very, very risky and you can lose more than your initial investment. So again, I am not responsible for any lost funds. However, if you make money, let me know. But yeah, if you want to become a channel member, feel free to do that. I will be doing a live stream tomorrow to channel members only, making the weekly watch list. If you guys want to join the Discord or follow me on Instagram, any of that, here's the link. Here's the link for that. But yeah, so if you guys are in the Discord, I'll talk to you guys in like 15 minutes. Other than that, let's run it up today. Lotto Friday, use proper risk management. Remember, trading on Fridays is very, very risky. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I'll talk to everybody on Monday, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time.